Hey, are you wondering how to remove URL from showing up in Google search result? If yes, then you are in the right place. Today's video I am going to show you how you can remove URL from Google search result. So let's get started. First step, we need to open our Google search console. So I have opened, and from the left side here you can see your all of site. So select your site, which one you want to remove from Google search result, and then on the left panel here you can see this option, overview, performance, URL, and go to the removal option. So let's click on remove, and then here you can see a submitted request, need to urgently remove content from Google search. Then you can create a new request, just click on that, then you can create a request to Google to delete the search result. So as I open our site in Google search, and here you can see a lot of search result, and this search result I am going to delete. This is not relevant to our site, and my client want to delete this, so that's why I have create some requested, and here you can see. So let's make a request, and I'm going to show you how you can make request. So let's say you want to remove this page or this result from Google search. So just right click on that, and here you can see copy link address, just click on that. So we have copied the link address. Now we are going to our removal option, and here just click on new request. Now paste the link. Okay, and here you can see this is temporarily remove URL. So this is temporarily, this is for like 6 months. After 6 months it will be bring. So for 6 months you can remove this, and after that you need to again do this same way. So this is temporary solution, this is not permanent. So after that just you can choose remove this URL only, or you can choose remove all URLs with this prefix. So with this prefix you can remove all URL with this prefix, or you can specifically remove only this URL. So I'm going to select this one, and then just click on next. Okay, so this URL in all of its varieties, so this will be blocked from Google search for about 6 months. So this will be blocked for 6 months, so you can cancel this at any time. So let's click on submit request. So now it will generate a submit request to Google. After few days it will be proceed, so then you can check this. So this is how you can remove URL from Google search result. So it's very easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.